guys, we're taking Leo to the dust. It's in my eye. Shoot.
When they're on the same side, they're like, oh, my bad.
There was a guy that didn't talk about that side today. He went up to the gate, they got quiet. He was just talking.
Hey, look. You gotta play ball. Ready? Boys over there. Baby. Right here, look. That dog look feisty. Here, look it. You guys go play.
Let me see.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait! So sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. No worries.
Say it with me. Cow, 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 cow. They are so full of the cap, man. I can't take it, need to break it if they ain't got.
Hey, y'all don't tell nobody what to do. Let me show you. Miss Daisy. Y'all don't tell nobody what to do. Hey. Go get it, Bubba. You got it, PK. You so fast, buddy. You got it, Bubba. You got it. You got it, PK. PK, you so fast, buddy. You got it, PK. Hey! Come here, Big Daddy. Okay, Big Daddy out. Big Daddy LaFleur. I'm not taking you to no hospital, boy. Philip and Big Daddy. Y'all need to come sit down. Cause y'all can't hang for real. I wish Philip and Big Daddy would come sit down. They make my nerves bad. Autumn! It's good that she in the goddamn Olympics. Jumping over hurdles.
Good job, buddy. There you go.
Your seat was stolen.
Absolutely not. No. Walking. It's alright. She's very on school. Hey. Yeah. The goose is right there. It's ridiculous. Look. Don't treat it. Do you mind if you say hello to your dog?
Oh, I didn't like that.
There we go.